Good day. I'm Anthony L. Madrazo. I am going to discuss binary operation, a topic on modern algebra or abstract algebra. First, let us recall. For any set S, the set S times S contain all ordered pairs AB, which is an element of S. Let S be a set with elements A, B, C. Hence, S times S is presented in the table. The elements A, B, C are placed on both rows and columns, and we can find different ordered pairs such as AA, AB, AC, and among others. In relation, what is binary operations? A binary operation on a set S is a function mapping S times S into S. For each AB, an element of S times S, we will denote the element binary operation of ordered pair AB of S by A binary operation B. Intuitively, it is assigning each ordered pairs AB of elements of S an element of A binary operation B of S. Binary operation refers to mapping pairs of elements from S into S. Given AB, an element of S, the result of the binary operations on A and B is another element from the same set S. A binary operation can be considered as a function whose input is two elements of the same set S and whose output also is an element of S. That is, S binary operation S mapped into S. In this case, S is said to be closed under binary operation. Let us consider example 1. Let binary operation defined by natural numbers. The binary structure of natural numbers under addition. If we apply binary operation addition to any two natural numbers or counting numbers, each result is still an element of natural number. For the binary structure of natural number under multiplication, likewise, if we apply binary operation multiplication to any two natural or counting numbers, each result is an element of natural number. In the case of whole numbers, which denoted by W, where the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, that is, both binary operation, addition, and multiplication are also defined that are under addition and under multiplication. This implies that if we add or multiply whole numbers, each result is still an element of whole numbers. Let binary operation defined by integers. Integers under addition, adding any two integers, the sum is an element of an integer. An integer under multiplication, multiplying any two integers, the product is an element of an integer. The set of positive integer under addition, adding any two positive integers, which is basically the set of natural numbers, the result is also an element of positive integers. The set of positive integers under multiplication, multiplying any two positive integers, the result is also an element of positive integers. The set of negative integers under addition, adding any two negative integers, the result, again, an element of negative integers. Note, binary operation multiplication is not defined on the set of negative integers because if we multiply any two negative integers, the result is not an element of negative integers. For instance, consider negative 1 and negative 2, which are elements of negative integers. Hence, negative 1 times negative 2 is equal to 2, which is not an element of negative integers. The set of non-zero integers under multiplication, multiplying any two non-zero integers, the result is also an element of set of non-zero integers. Note, binary operation addition is not defined on the set of non-zero integers because there are cases of adding two non-zero integers, the result is 0. For instance, 3 plus negative 3 is equal to 0. Here, 3 and negative 3 are element of non-zero integers, but 0 is not an element of non-zero integers. The cases of defined binary operation on integers are also defined on rational numbers, real numbers, and complex number. You may try it to verify. Definition. Let binary operation be an operation on S, and let H be a subset of S. The subset H is closed under binary operation if for all AB an element of H, we also have A binary operation B an element of H. In this case, the operation on H given by restricting binary operation to H is the induce operation of binary operation on H. Let us consider example number 2. Binary operation addition on set of real numbers does not induce operation on the set of non-zero real numbers, since 2 plus negative 2 is equal to 0, which is not an element of non-zero real numbers. Example number 3, let addition and multiplication on set of integers, and let H be the set of square of n such that n is an element of positive integers. H is not closed under addition since 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5, which is not an element of H, but it is closed under multiplication. If we let R be m square and S be n square, therefore, the product of R and S is equal to m square n square, and that will be the square of the product of m and n, which is an element of H by characterizing mn be an element of positive integers. So here are the properties of binary operations. Closure property. If a binary operation be an element of S for all AB in S. Commutative property. If a binary operation B is equal to B binary operation A for all AB in S. Associative property. If A binary operation of the quantity B binary operation C is equal to the quantity A binary operation B times binary operation C for all A, B, C in S. Unity or identity property. If A binary operation identity E is equal to A and equal to the identity binary operation A for all A in S where E is the identity or the unity. E is 0 and 1 for addition and multiplication respectively. Then we have the inverse property. If A binary operation A prime is equal to A prime binary operation A is equal to E for all A in S and A prime is the inverse of A. Theorem. If a binary operation has unity, that unity is unique. If E and F are both unities, then F is equal to E binary operation F is and E binary operation F is equal to E. So E is equal to F. Let us now consider the example for the properties of binary operation. Determine whether the binary operation defined is commutative and whether the binary operation is associative. The binary operation defined on the set of integers by letting A binary operation B is equal to A minus B. This is not commutative since 1 minus 2 is not equal to 2 minus 1. This is also not associative since 1 minus the quantity 2 minus 3 is equal to 2, which is not equal to the quantity 1 minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to negative 4. The binary operation defined on the set of rational numbers by letting A binary operation B is equal to AB plus 1. This is commutative since AB plus 1 is equal to BA plus 1 for all A and B an element of rational number. This is not associative since the quantity A binary operation B binary operation C is equal to AB plus 1 binary operation C. Then that will be AB plus 1 times C plus 1. To simplify, that will be ABC plus C plus 1. But A binary operation of the quantity B binary operation C is equal to A binary operation of BC plus 1, which is equal to A times BC plus 1 plus 1. Then to simplify, that will be ABC plus A plus 1. Example number 6. On the set of positive rational number, let A binary operation B is equal to A over B. Here, both conditions 1 and 2 are satisfied. Take any two positive rational numbers. The quotient of the two is also rational numbers, and it is everywhere defined. Example number 7, on the set of positive integers, let A binary operation B is equal to A over B. Here, condition 2 fails. For 1 binary operation 3 is not on set of positive integer, since positive integer is not closed under binary operation. Example number 8, determine whether the definition of binary operation does give a binary operation on the set. In the event that binary operation is not a binary operation, state whether condition 1, condition 2, or both of these conditions are violated. On the set of positive integer, defined by binary operation by letting A binary operation B is equal to A minus B. not, not binary operation. Condition 2 is violated since 1 binary operation 1 is equal to 0, which is not an element of positive integers. On the set of positive integers defined by binary operation by letting a binary operation b is equal to a raised to b. Define binary operation since any positive integer raised to any positive integer yields to another positive integer. On the set of real numbers defined by binary operation by letting a binary operation b is equal to a minus b. Define binary operation since the difference of any two real numbers gives a difference which is an element of real numbers. On the set of positive integers, define binary operation by letting a binary operation b is equal to c, where c is the smallest integer, greater than a and b. This is defined binary operation because if we have a and b, which are elements of positive integers, then there is always c, an element of positive integers greater than a and b. On the set of positive integer, define binary operation by letting a binary operation b is equal to c, where c is at least 5 more than the sum a and b. Not a binary operation. Condition 1 is violated. For 2 binary operation 3 might any integer greater than 9. On the set of positive integer, define binary operation by letting a binary operation b is equal to c, where c is the largest integer less than the product of a and b. Not binary operation. Condition 2 is violated since 1 binary operation 1 is equal to 0, and 0 is not an element of positive integer. Thank you very much for listening. Again, I am Anthony L. Madrazo.